はい、右近さん、ここどこですか？
ここは今仏閣ですよね、しておりまして、今日が満月の日で、さらに今日という日の1年の中の満月の中で一番価値のある日ということで、
おばあちゃんがすぐ価値ありそうなおばあちゃん来ましたね。
お釈迦様に
近いですね。
今日は白い色を着て、
And today we celebrate three special things: born of Buddha, birthday of Buddha, enlightenment of Buddha, and passed away of Buddha.
Wow.
Three special things. Yes. Yeah, in the same May full moon day it happened. And that's why the May full moon day is a very special day for Buddhist people. So if you come to the temple, first of all we go for stupa, because people believe the relic of Buddha inside, and that's why we go first.
こうやって
少しでいいですか？
はい、少しずつ。
5月の12日がブッダの生まれた日と亡くなった日とされているということで、とても
それと満月のポヤデーが
一緒に
重なったので3つ同じ。
すごい日です。そんな日に来れるなんて。
1年の中で一番ポヤポヤした日。
ポヤしてますね。ポヤオブポヤですね。
ポヤオブポヤの日です。
Go further. I will come. So along those things you can go. Yeah, meditation.
Sabbitiyo vajjantu sabbarogo vinasatu mati bhavatu andarayo sukhi digayuko bhavatu sabba mangalam lakhantu sabba devata sabba bhutanu bhavena sabba dhammanu bhavena sabba sanghanu bhavena sada soti bhavantu te. Look at these two, and this is two type of curry powder. Curry powder mean the curry powder we use always 5 type of curry, 5 type of spices to make a curry powder. This is roasted curry powder, a little bit darker, and raw curry powder. So if we cook dal curry, vegetable curry, we use always the light curry, the raw curry powder. If we cook meat item or fish curry, we use roasted curry powder to get a little bit spicy taste. These are the 2 type of curry powder. And also we have a chili, 3 type of chili actually. This is raw chili, chili pieces, And also we use roasted chili powder, but here we don't use. That's why we are not only rice and curry. We are not eating only rice and curry. Out of rice powder, we can make lots of things like roti. It's called roti. You get sometimes after cleaning the roti, then we have a pittu, we have a hoppers, we have a string hoppers, many other varieties out of rice powder. But mainly those items we eat only for dinner or breakfast. It is light thing. But lunch we always used to eat rice and curry. Jaggery is made out of honey. So if you cook honey for a long while, steam, all the water will steam, and we put it to coconut shell, then we make jaggery. We keep it dry. This is jaggery. And those are the vegetables what we use: potato, carrot, leeks, ginger, onion, garlic, then the wings bean, and lemongrass, beans, and all those things we cook for 1.5 hours to have a good stock. Okay, before we that make, we have to salt that. For salt, we use ghee oil, then we added that vegetable and all those things. Then after we added the stock and let it cook. And at least 45 minutes we had to cook to get the good tasteful soup. But this is actually not a show cook. This is what we cook for your dinner today. This is your dinner. Not only for showing, that is your dinner. Now we are going to add the vegetable stock. Okay, as the next we are going to show you how to make a dal curry. So in Sri Lanka, without dal, we don't have any meal, because dal always we used to eat at home. Just we washed, then we added the curry powder and fenugreek. No ginger. For dal curry we are not using onion. Then after curry leaves and also cinnamon. This is cinnamon. We put the coconut milk number 2 top of the dal. Fish ambultial, it's called fish ambultial. In this type, how we cooked, we can keep it without refrigerator 3 to 5 days. Curry powder roasted, cinnamon. It was a box on clay. Not too much pepper, but little pepper we have to add. And salt. And then we added ginger, garlic, onion, curry leaves together. And cardamom, I will cut it here. Then after we mix together, and only water. But once we cook the fish, you can't use the spoon to mix together. At the beginning you can, then after dancing with the pot. Yeah. To turn.
Okay, river safari. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Tomorrow morning. よいしょ。それではリバーサファリ、レッツゴー。うわ、本当だ。すごっ。 わ、いっぱいおる。いっぱいおる。めっちゃでかいな。うわー、バットマンでかいね。でかっ。あんなでかいんだっけ、ここに。めっちゃ赤ちゃんじゃないの。しっかり来る。あそこにいっぱいいます。いますね。はい。2匹いますね。
Lagi di snack, ya. Only time, no food. Crocodile, no time, only food.
めっちゃおるやん。
ね
え。